Looking at the latest numbers for Duval County, 175 new cases were reported in the past 24 hours. That number was 115 new cases yesterday, with nearly 2,500 total positives countywide.
And there were long lines again at Lot J earlier today, with hundreds waiting to get tested. Governor DeSantis says more young people are coming up positive. For Duval County, the average is 30 years old.
News4 Jax reporters Vic Michelucci and Jim Piggott are covering the growing number of cases. We begin with Jim live at Lot J.
Lot J is basically, well, it is closed today, and they had to close a little bit earlier because of the lightning and the storms late this afternoon. But as you had mentioned, we saw a lot of lines, and now we're also seeing a lot of spikes throughout Jacksonville, particularly on the south side. City says many of those being tested now are people returning to work who are looking to show that they have a clean bill of health. But the results are coming back differently for some. With 175 new positive cases, that sets a record for a one-day jump for Jacksonville. But again, the mayor and governor say with more people being tested, those numbers are expected to be high. And they say those who are now positive aren't as sick.
I think it's important for people to understand a lot of the people who are testing positive now are not symptomatic.
Once again, we're breaking this down by zip codes. Today's largest increase is on the south side in zip code 32256, now at 138 cases with 13 new cases in just one day. Also on the south side, 32246 at 139 cases with 12 new cases in one day. One area that we are watching closely is Jacksonville Beach, where bars and restaurants closed down this week for cleaning. That's zip code 32250, now at 95 cases, which is 11 new cases in one day. Mayor Curry wasn't available today to talk about the increases we're seeing and to take questions about why he still supports bringing the RNC in 2 months while we watch as COVID-19 cases increase. But in a video posted on the city's website, the mayor says most of this is being passed on by family members to other relatives.
A large portion of the increased cases we are seeing are also what's called household spread. That means one individual is taking the virus home and spreading it throughout the entire household. With that in mind, and with this increase in positive cases, it is imperative that people take personal responsibility and precautions, as I have said from the very beginning.
You know, one area that we are keeping an eye on is on the west side. It's the zip code that encompasses NAS Jacksonville. Since Monday, in that zip code, they've had 38 new cases. Now, we've contacted the Navy, and they're looking at those numbers, and they're going to get back with us with some type of answer. We're live from Lot J, Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.